Everyone wants to know the secret to building wealth, the hack, the shortcut, the one thing that changes everything. Here it is. It's not a stock tip. It's not crypto. It's not a side hustle that makes you a millionaire overnight. It's not timing the market or finding the next big thing. If those were the answer, everyone would be rich, but they're not, because those aren't the answer. The real secret is boring. So boring nobody talks about it. So unglamorous it doesn't go viral. It's consistency. Showing up for your money, week after week, month after month, year after year. It's checking your budget when you don't feel like it. It's saying no to purchases that don't align with your goals. It's making the small, invisible choices that nobody sees. It's not one big move, it's 1,000 small ones, compounding over time, until one day you look up and realize you're ahead. That's how wealth is actually built. Not by lottery tickets, not by luck, by people who refuse to quit. The first few months are the hardest. You don't see results yet. You're building the habit. You're laying the foundation. It feels like nothing is happening, but it is. And the people who push through that phase, they're the ones who make it. The Finance Reset Toolkit is built for consistency. It's simple enough to check in weekly, visual enough to see your progress, and the dynamic scenario planner shows you how today's choices impact your future, so you stay motivated when it gets hard. Every check-in takes minutes, but over months and years, those minutes become the foundation of everything. A year from now, you'll wish you started today, so start today. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. No hacks, no shortcuts, just you showing up. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.